Achieving the proper tire pressure is a small but essential part of your driving experience. Thankfully, your Audi is equipped with a direct tire pressure monitoring system, or TPMS, to help you enjoy better handling and improved vehicle safety. Direct TPMS uses 4 innovative sensors located on your vehicle's tire valves to constantly monitor each tire's air pressure and communicate pressure updates in the virtual cockpit. If tire pressure is reduced for any reason, an indicator will illuminate to alert you, and the system will specify which tire or tires have triggered the warning. When you can do so safely, you should check tires indicated by the TPMS for damage and inflate them to the proper pressure. Your recommended tire pressure can be found on the driver's side door frame. When the proper pressure is re-established in all 4 tires, direct TPMS must be reset. With your vehicle in park, from the home screen select Vehicle, Settings and Service, then Tire Pressure Monitoring. Select Store to reset your tire pressure, then, at the confirmation prompt, select Yes, Store Now. Your updated tire pressure will be set as the baseline, and any significant deviation from the set pressure will result in a warning from the system. Safety and performance go hand in hand. With Audi Direct TPMS, you can enjoy precise tire pressure readings and a little extra peace of mind.